Concerns over the results of Italy's election triggered a massive risk sell-off overnight, which in turn sent the euro sharply lower and the Japanese yen sharply higher. Exit polls show that former Italian Prime Minister Berlusconi has a strong showing in projections, which could eventually result in a hung parliament. Front-runner Bersani will probably win a marginal majority in the lower house, getting 340 seats over a total of 630. However, projections show that Berlusconi could win a blocking minority in the upper house, getting 120 seats over 315. Majority in both houses is required for the government, and the failure to form a coalition could threaten economic reforms in Italy and subsequently reignite the Eurozone debt crisis. And a hung parliament is considered the worst-case scenario by analysts, as that would paralyze the ongoing economic program and structural reforms. Technically, Euro-US dollar dived to as low as 1.3041 and is threatening to take on an important psychological level at 1.3. Euro sterling's break of 0.8604 support overnight indicates a short-term reversal, which would likely send the cross to 0.8446 support and below. Euro Swiss franc also dived to as low as 1.2118 and is threatening to go back below 1.21. Meanwhile, the sharp decline in yen crosses is worth attention to. The failure to ride on the G20 earlier this month to extend its downtrend argues the yen has bottomed out, at least in near term. Yesterday's sharp fall did indicate a near-term reversal, and the weak British pound Japanese yen has taken the lead and broke the 139.25 support level. Euro yen is set to challenge 117.40 key support level. Another key development to note was the sharp sell-off in U.S. stocks overnight. The Dow Jones edged to a new high of 14,081 but reversed and closed sharply lower at 13,784, down 216 points. The S&P 500 also closed sharply lower by 27.75 points at 1,487.85. So far, 14,000 in the Dow Jones and 1,500 in the S&P proved to be difficult to overcome. We have been warning of a reversal in stocks for some time, and yesterday's sell-off could be the turning point. Now, with the 1,495.02 near-term support broken, a short-term top is at least formed at 1,530.94 in the S&P 500 and will likely see the index fall back to 1,400 level. More importantly, while it's still too early to confirm, stocks might be reversing the medium-term trend just ahead of the historical high of 1,576.09. So traders are strongly advised to lighten up their positions on recoveries. Looking ahead, markets will be eagerly waiting